Today it's Friday, August 2nd, 2024. Yes, still 2024. The E63. We remove the engine from the engine room and from the engine stand at the same time. The guys, they lost the cross member. The engine mounts, I mounted wrong. I put the left on the right and the right on the left, and we have to change it because it's not straight. It's supposed to be like this, as this right now. Not a big deal, okay? But nobody from these smart asses, you know, in the comments, he didn't say, you know what, Tassos, you're dumb, you're blind, you put the mounts other way around. Left to the right, right to the left. Never mind. So, engine here. We're gonna cover it again with a nylon to be here. This goes inside of the glove box. Now, what's the time? It's the time for the coolings, for the coolers, sorry, for the cooling pack to be washed, to be prepared. And let me put also, we need to clean all this area here. We have to clean the heat seals. We have to change that fitting over there. Never mind. Now, because it arrived the tank for the washer reservoir, and the guys, they can make the wiring. It's much easier while it's not the engine in place, to pass the pipe and to pass also the cables nicely without struggling. Because if it's the engine in and you have to remove the heat seal back here on the firewall, it's a little bit headache. Let me put the tank, so to have a reference, the guys, put the neck also here to be able to make the wiring harness. Let me do that, and then we're gonna continue with the coolers. Finish with that. Clip, bolt, obviously Mercedes, okay, nut and bolt, and the grommet in place. They are up, okay. And just for your information, this is the E-Class, all right, the E63. I can put the number plate, actually. I already put the number plate before, so I can put it again, no problem. All right, that's the E63. All right, and let's go to the CLS. That's a CLS. I showed you that before. All right, same thing, exactly the same thing. Now let's continue with the coolers. The engine's been covered again. All right, I need to get the coolers on the floor down, take it apart, start washing it, and be careful, don't contaminate the oil cooler and the transmission oil cooler and the condenser. Let's see what's hidden, because I hope to be all okay and need to be washed only, and to don't have any headache from the point, especially the condenser. That's what I want to see. There is engine oil cooler, transmission cooler, condenser, then there is the heat exchanger for the intercooler, and then there is the radiator and the radiator fan. All these need to be prepared. Let's have a look on it. I brought the coolers at the washing area here, all right. The oil cooler, it's been blocked here and here, all right. The condenser, it's been blocked here and down there, and the transmission cooler, it's been blocked. The rest we don't care. Now let's take it apart. Let's see how that looks like. Yeah, you have some dirt here and there, classic. Let's take it apart. Let's open it. The bolt, what they have put here for the transmission cooler, for the bracket, it's touching to the radiator. This is not the right one. Need a short bolt. I already removed this one. I'm gonna show you in a while. Now that's how that looks like. Transmission cooler here, oil cooler here. Oh boy. Yeah. Okay, I have sea washed on this. It's okay. It's still okay. Condenser.
Hello, sir.
Hi, man. Radiator fan, the frames, and the heat exchanger for the intercooler. Now, what's the plan? I'm gonna take the clips and the bolt from there, putting it far away. Then I'm washing one at a time. First I'm washing it to come the most things out. Then I'm washing it again. Then I'm blowing with air. And then I'm storaging, not here, because here it's gonna be full black the floor. It's gonna be disaster. Detergent that's not hurting the plastic or the aluminum, okay, with the brush over there, and water compressor, this one, but has adjustable pressure. This don't destroy the fins of the coolers. It's here. The air gun is here. We have air, yes, but we can adjust it also. Nice, lovely. If you reduce the pressure, you can go a little bit closer. If it's too much the pressure on the air, you have to go far away, because we have 10 bar of pressure. What else? Nothing. Let me continue. Let me start here preparing these things. After washing the coolers, this is what you see. It's not even 10% from what I had here. There was some garbage, okay? I have the coolers here in a row. The only thing what I didn't brought here is this one. This and this. I still have it there. Now, one second, because did I put the number plate of the Golf now? What the? Okay, I didn't put the number plate of the Golf. Condenser. You know, yes, it might look bad. It's okay. It's much better than before. Much better than before. It's not 100%, it's 90% fine, all right? One second to open the door. To see, oh, this is too big, yeah. It's supposed to be okay there. Yes, it is. All right. It's still a little bit wet, but it will gonna work fine. It's gonna work 10 times better than before. All right. And that's how this looks like from this side. I have seen much worse than this. Let's put it here until it comes the time to put it on. This has production date October 2011. All right. The heat exchanger, it's okay. It's in the middle. It had some garbage, but not something crazy. I clean it. It looks much better than before. Once again, you can see through. Whoever has a car that's 10 years old, try to wash the coolers and tell me what is gonna come out. This is also the date, it's supposed to be 2011. Keep it down there. Yes. November 2011. Alright, the frame, okay. The radiator fan, October 2011. Alright, the oil cooler. The pipe 111103. Don't ask me why. I have no clue why. Alright, the cooler. Now this, you have to see it sideways. It's nice and clean. It's beautiful. The membrane here, the rubber, it's nice and soft. This frame is soft. This is the transmission oil cooler. I don't think so I have to go there. This has a date January 2011. Alright, and it's nice and clean. Lovely. Keep it here. Alright, and last, the radiator. Like I said, it looks tired. It's not. It's okay. This is November. Yes, November 2011. And let's watch it. What I'm afraid with the stupid radiators, I'm gonna explain what I'm afraid. I'm afraid that, you know, I wash it, I clean it, I'm gonna put it on. It didn't happen to me, till now at least, but it's a matter of time to happen. And this looks okay, it doesn't look like it has a burned plastic or something. Has also here the date. Alright. What I'm afraid, imagine, let us say, to clean it, to put everything all together back, and after a month start leaking from the frame here, as an example. It's gonna be stupid, you know. So let me put it together. A little bit spray contact cleaner on the plug down over there, putting it together, and that's it with this update. Yeah, next time I'm gonna show you the wiring. Yeah, let me put it together and then we're gonna talk about that. The scissor table here, radiator up, I say. And what I did, I get also one bolt shorter than this stupid thing to don't hit the radiator down. It's nonsense, you know. We're gonna change this stupid thing. I'm gonna put a shorter one to be nice, to be everybody happy. Alright, let's put it together. And that's how it looks like. Back in place. And I changed also this long bolt. I put a shorter one and it's not touching now anymore. It's down there, yeah. There is no safe point to turn it because I have the lines here, I have the pipes here. In this, as it is right now, it's the safest. Now to make it front or back. This in place, I just need to lock the plastic clip in place. Alright, that's it. Let me drive it back over there. Yeah, the coolers with the engine need to cover it to don't come dusty. It will not, we don't have a dust here, just in case, to be nice, to be like the engine back over there. And it's remaining now from the guys to finish. These are the heat seals, guys. Yeah. The carpet here, what has on the firewall, on the heat seal, yes. Don't wash it, it's gonna come apart. With some air, blowing with some air, and with one soft brush, in order to go away this dust. The rest, normal washing like any other time. Alright, the new bracket is over there. Alright, need to be washed all these things, but I have to, shit, I need to make one modification there on the bumper to open the grill. Alright, I need to open the grill and I have to relocate the ambient temperature sensor. Yeah, that's what's remaining here on the car. This cooler is new. Derek, need to come out also this cooler. I need to wash also this. This is the only one that we haven't washed. Yes. I need to take care the rest here, alright? The neck with the tank, like I said earlier, I think that I said that. It's already been installed. Lovely. Later on you're gonna fix the wiring, like the other one. Yes, I already fixed it. Ah, you already fixed it?
Jay, I told Jay.
Nice. Nice. He's soldering. Nice. Well done. Yeah, it's overkill. It is an overkill. That's okay. Alright. This is the electricity. Don't pay attention to that cable here. This is electricity for the garage here. This is for the car. It's a new cable, obviously, and with a heat string. He soldered it, and now you need to dress it. Alright. I don't want to destroy it for him. And then he'll gonna dress it with this one. Soldering iron. Yeah. Down the floor, yes, but it's fine. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be nice. Alright. Nice. Need to take care a little bit this area here. That's it for now. Over and out. What else did I forget? The transmission. Dang it. The transmission. Engine, transmission, coolers. What's remaining with the engine? To put the flex plate, torque it down, and torque down the damper pulley. And then that's it from my side. Now that's the end. To be all together better.